Amazing Grace is another Percy's Fast Food Toy Story. Yay!
Amazing Grace is
Another Percy's Fast Food Toy Story.
Yay! Amazing Grace is
Another Percy's Fast Food Toy Story.
Yay!
Hello, what's up guys? My name is Percy and I'm the Guinness World Record holder for the largest, if not the largest, fast food toy collection in the whole world. Okay, so I'm here once again to tell you another amazing and stupendous and awe-inspiring Percy's Fast Food Toy Story. And so for today, boy have I got a toy for you. Our toy for today is none other than it's from McDonald's and it's from a series of toys called Building Blocks, and this is a parrot, a Building Blocks parrot. Wow, wouldn't you know? Okay, so without further ado, let's open it up and see for ourselves. So this was 2018, 2 years ago, and for the first time we're opening it up for you, dear subscribers of Percy's Fast Food Toy Story. Please tell your friends about Percy's Fast Food Toy Story so that together we can open up a lot more of these fast food toys that I have in my collection. Okay, now this particular package comes with a lot of parts, the building blocks. Okay, so we have 1, 2. Later on, I'll figure out how they will actually come together. Or it even has a special plastic. 5, 5, 6, 7. So there has to be 7 parts. And then it also comes with this pack of stickers. Look at that, very colorful stickers. Okay, now I know it's gonna take a couple of minutes, so give me a couple of minutes for me to be able to figure out how this will actually build up, and then I'll also be putting on the stickers, and then later on I will show you the finished product and you be the judge of it, if it really looks like a parrot, a Building Blocks parrot that is. Okay, so let's get it on. Okay, ta-da! Look at our Building Blocks parrot. Look at that. Look at this very golden crowning glory. Wow, isn't it great? Look at the wings. I placed some stickers here. It's colored blue, which somehow complements, and some yellow feathers there. And then actually you can move the wings. Didn't you see that? Okay, so you can move it like so. And then over at the other side, we also have the same thing. It's a color of blue wings, and then some yellow feathers and some cream colored feathers, which were sticks all over it. Look at the wings. I don't know if these are very appropriate for here. Anyway, I'm very satisfied with how it looks. Look at the eyes. From here, it's so wide-eyed and it's colored yellow. This one is winking with some blue circles around it, surrounding it. Now, this is a very unique parrot from McDonald's Happy Meal way back in 2018. Yeah, a Building Blocks parrot. So I must say, this is just an amazing grace. So once again guys, let's try to be thankful to God for all the amazing grace that come to our lives, be in the form of a Building Blocks parrot here, brought to us by McDonald's way back in 2018. An amazing toy and a great addition to my Percy's Fast Food Toy Story toy collection. Okay, this can actually be a wonderful activity for kids to build it up, and then spruce up their imagination. It's wonderful to develop their skills, to help them figure out for themselves how to actually build up this parrot. Or also be thankful for every amazing grace, be they small or big, be they seemingly insignificant or the truly eventful ones, or just about every amazing grace that make our lives a lot more happy and jolly. And I thank you guys for always tuning in to Percy's Fast Food Toy Story. Thank you to the new subscribers. Please tell your friends to subscribe, because we still have a lot more Percy's Fast Food Toy Stories up my sleeves. And together we'll get to open them up right before our eyes. Okay, so until the next one, bye bye, see you around, guys. Bye-bye. Molly wants a cracker.